Hello students, we know the first property of arithmetic mean, second property of arithmetic mean. Now we learn the third property of arithmetic mean. So third property is arithmetic mean of combined series. If xi bar means arithmetic mean of k component series are the means of k component series of sizes n1. Means suppose x1 bar is arithmetic mean of first component having size means number of components in that series is n1 respectively. Then mean x bar of the composite series combined by combining the component series is given by the formula x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus and so on up to the nk xk bar upon sum of all sizes n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus nk. Or this can be written as x bar is equal to summation, numerator is summation of ni into xi bar, I is going from 1 to k, upon summation of ni. Now we see the proof of this. Property 3. Let x11, x12, x13, n1 be the n1 members of the first series. So this is the first series and number of members in the first series is n1. Second series is x21, x22, x23 up to the x2n2 be the n2 members, means number of members are, these are n2 members. Similarly, third series, fourth series, fifth series, and xk1, xk2, xk3 up to the xknk, these are the nk members of the kth series. Then definition of arithmetic mean is sum of all observations upon the number of observations. Therefore, x1 bar is the mean of the first series is equal to number of members in the first series is n1. 1 upon n1 into x11 plus x12 plus up to the x1 n1. So this is by definition of arithmetic mean of first series. Similarly, arithmetic mean of second series is x21 plus x22 plus x2n2 upon the number of members. Number of members means n2. First, third series, fourth series, and arithmetic mean of the k series is xk bar is equal to number of members in xk bar is nk. xk1 plus xk2 plus xknk upon nk. Suppose this is 1. Then mean x bar of first series, second series, third series, fourth series and the k series is given by, so number of members in all series are n1 plus n2 plus nk. So this is the size of all series is given by xk bar upon number of members means n1 plus n2 plus nk. Means here x11 plus x12 plus x1 n1 plus for second series x21 plus x22 plus x2 n2 plus third series plus fourth series plus fifth series and plus k series. Observations of k series xk1 plus xk2 plus xknk upon the number of observations or number of members in all series n1 plus n2 plus this. Now from 1, what is x11 plus x12 plus x11? This is equal to n1 into x1 bar. From this is equal to n2 into x2 bar. Therefore, so this means n1 into x1 bar plus this means n2 into x2 bar. Similarly, last xk1 plus xk2 plus xknk means xk bar into nk upon sum of all members n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus nk. And in summation sign, this can be written as x bar is equal to summation of Ni into xi bar, I is going from 1 to k upon sum of Ni. So this is the mean of composite series. Now we see the example of composite series. So first example, the mean age of a combined group of men and women is 30 years. Means there are two groups. One group is group of men and another group is group of women. And age of combined group is 30 years. If the mean age of the group of men is 32 years and that of women is 27 years, and find out the percentage of the men and women in the group. So we have not given the actual number of men and actual number of women. We have to find the percentage of men and women in that group. So solution, let n1 is the number of men. So in the group n1 are the number of men and arithmetic mean of men first group is x1 bar, mean age of men. Similarly, n2 is equal to number of women and it is given, suppose x2 bar is the mean of age of woman. It is given in example. And let n1 is equal to n1 plus n2, number of men and women in the group. And x bar is the mean age of combined group. Again, what is given in example? You are given x1 bar. x1 bar is the number of men. Sorry, mean age of men. n1 is not given. x1 bar is the mean age of men is given. What is it? If the mean age of the group of men is 32 years, x1 bar is the 32 years. And what is x2 bar? Means mean of second group of women is 27 years. And what is given? Again you have given x bar. X bar is given. X bar is 30 years. Mean of both groups. Then mean of combined group. Your formula is x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar upon n1 plus n2. Here there are two groups only. If there are three groups, then plus n3 into x3 bar upon n1 plus n2 plus n3. Here only two groups. Therefore, what is x bar? X bar is 30. What is n1? It is not given. x1 bar is given. x1 bar is 32 plus n2, number of women in the second group. n2, x2 bar is given. Mean age of that woman is given 27 upon n1 plus n2. Because n1 and n2 are not given. So simplify this. So this can be written as 30 into n1 plus n2 is equal to 32 n1 plus 27 n2. So therefore 30 n1 plus 30 n2 is equal to 32 n1 plus 27 n2. Or this can be written as, therefore 30 n2 minus 27 n2 is equal to 32 n1 minus 30 n1. 30 minus 27, 3 n2 is equal to 2 n1. So here we get the ratio of men and women. Therefore, this implies n2 upon n1 is equal to 2 upon 3, or n1 upon n2 is equal to 3 upon 2, or this can be written as n1 as to n2, 3 as to 2. Means here n1 plus n2 means 5. n1 plus n2 for ratio 5. Actually, we have not the number of men and number of women, but here ratio is you obtain. Therefore, in ratio 3 as to 2, n1 plus n2 is 5. Now you have asked the percentage of men and percentage of women. Therefore, first we find the percentage of men. Percentage of men is, now in n1 plus n2 number of 5, ratio is 3 by 2. Therefore, how can we find the percentage of men? In 5, the number of men are 3. In 5, number of men are 3. Then in 100, how much? Therefore, 3 by 5 or 100. 3 into 100 upon 5 is equal to 60. Therefore, percentage of men in that group is 60%. And percentage of women is equal to 2 into or 2 by 5 into 100. Again here 2 into 20 is equal to 40. Therefore, percentage of women in that group is 40%. So in this way, you can find the percentage of men and percentage of women. You have given the combined mean of both group. You have given the mean of first group. You have given the mean of second group. In similar way, you can find or you can apply the mean of composite series for several examples. Thank you.